Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back. For those who are returning, thank you for coming back. And for those of you who are new to my channel, glad that you are with me today, tuned in today. If you don't know, my name is Raye Honorose, and today's video is going to be about a tutorial. So what prompted me to do this tutorial today is because I'm in a group chat with my friends, and we constantly talk about hair and makeup. And all of us are not, makeup artists or makeup gurus or makeup enthusiasts, but some of us are really into makeup and etc. And they made a good point. Watching YouTube videos and tutorials, some of these girls, some of these makeup influencers, there's a lot of steps, and honestly, if you don't have the budget or you don't have like all of those tools that they use, then you're lost and you're confused, and you might not know what to use with what goes when and things. So basically, I just wanted to make a simple makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna use like the bare minimum makeup. I'm not gonna do my eyeshadow or anything because that comes with practice. Like, I'm not even like super good with eyeshadow and things, but that comes with time. You just sit down and watch tutorials for basically the application. The colors and the ideas come later. So you just basically need like the right tools, like your brushes and sponges and things like that, and makeup. And then just you're really looking for the technique. So that's what today is going to be about. It's going to be about the application technique. I'm going to use a whole bunch of different makeup tools today. I'm just going to be using a primer, a foundation, highlighter, which is going to be the concealer that I'm using as a highlighter, and setting powders, and that's pretty much it. And it's just going to be a really simple tutorial on application and technique. So this video is for those of you who are not experts and are just breaking into the makeup world and really just want to learn how to apply and get a good face. So that's pretty much it. So if you're ready for this tutorial, keep watching. And before you leave this screen, subscribe to my channel. It's going to be down below. And follow me on my social medias. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Let's go. Hey, so I thought this would be easier as a voiceover so I can tell you what's going on. So right now, I'm just putting primer on my face. I think I'm using Urban Decay, a mattifying primer. They have so many, but I have really oily skin, so I'm using a mattifying primer and just rubbing it in. It looks really ashy. That's why I made that funny face. But yeah, just rubbing it in, letting it absorb into my skin. My eyebrows were already pre-done, so I've done a whole bunch of other eyebrow tutorials, but that's not something you guys need to see. So now I'm just going in with my NARS All Day Luminous foundation. You guys, I promise it's going to be the simplest makeup tutorial ever for those that who aren't really experts on makeup, but do want to get into it and practice. But with the damp beauty blender, I'm just going in, just blending all of that all over my face, into my hairline, everywhere. Make sure you get below your chin and blend that down onto your neck so that it won't be any discoloration. Lines of demarcation. Now with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I am using this as my highlighted areas to highlight my face. Y'all, when I say this concealer does not move, like I used to have problems with, my makeup cracking, like creasing under my eyes and around my mouth, but with the Shape Tape, this does not move. It stays in place, and my makeup stays in place all night. I love it, and I'm never going back to regular concealer. And I just blend that down, make sure my face is, highlighted in my favorite areas, the most common areas. You saw me talking and looking. I was talking to my stepdad. He came in and interrupted my video, but since I was doing a voiceover anyway, it didn't matter. Now I'm going in with my Mercier translucent setting powder. And what I'm doing is I am just setting my highlighted areas. Now there are two ways you can do this. You can just do what I just did and set your highlighted areas and continue on with the rest of your face, or you can bake, which is what I'm about to do now. Since I was going out tonight, I just wanted my makeup to be in place all night with no worries. I let that bake for about 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I did my eyeliner off camera and I came back and I'm just dusting it off. And I'm just making sure that it's all blended in because I don't want any flashback and I don't want to look ghostly. Now, this is completely optional. This is more Mercier Dark Deep Setting Powder for the rest of my face. I do like to set my entire face. Like I said, I have oily skin. But I don't set it with the translucent because it's really light and I don't want to look ghostly, as I said before. So I set it with Dark Deep so that it's really close to my skin color. I don't set under my eyes with Dark Deep though because I don't want to cancel out the highlight area, if that makes sense. Now what I'm doing to bring more warmth into my face is I took Bobbi Brown. It's a bronzer, and I don't contour my face because I have a natural contour, so really I just put the Bobbi Brown powder in the contour areas and around my forehead and my chin, just so I can warm my face up a little bit. And then I just took the Sephora blush. I forgot what color it is. I just know it's an orange, and it looks really good on brown skin. And I just, put the blush on. And the Becca Moonstone highlighter is what I'm finishing my look with. I told you guys, this look is so simple. Like a really simple application video. It couldn't get any more simple than this, I promise. See, guys, just putting the Moonstone in the areas I just want to beam, as I call it. It's gonna be on beam. This is really funny. I was just trying to see what it was gonna look like over my lip. I look like I have a milk mustache, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And then I'm finishing my look with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I promise you, that's really it. I'm gonna put on some lashes and some lips. And my wig, of course. So yeah, my wig and my lashes I did off camera. And then I'm going to go in with a lip pencil, which I didn't do on camera, but the lip pencil that I lined my lips with was Cork by MAC. And a lip gloss. It's like a tinted nudie lip gloss by Too Faced called Spiced Girl. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is my tonight's look, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, share, comment, follow my social media pages.